how to turn on page you manage comment notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on page you manage comment notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down until you find settings and then notifications, and now just click this one, pages you manage, and here click select your page and click here, and now just click on it, turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.